Okay guys, so today we're talking about niches, and if you want to be hitting 5k, 10k, 20k months on Etsy, then you need to be hitting profitable niches that you can also compete in. But I'm not just going to give you a list of niches that you can just try out, because to be honest, that's not what you need. What you actually need is to be given a solid, proven method that you can use time and time again yourself to just go away and find your own best-selling niches time and time again. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. And if you're new here, guys, my name's Alfie. I've been selling on Etsy for a few years now, and I've earned some pretty good money in that time. So this is going to be a tutorial video, so let's jump straight into my dashboard. Okay, guys, so we're here on the Etsy dashboard, and this is where I always start off when it comes to product research and finding those bestseller products. The first thing I do is I actually just go straight to the search bar on Etsy and just type in the product type which I'm trying to sell. So say we own a mug store and we want to find some best-selling products in mugs. So literally, it's so simple, guys. I just start off, I'll just type in mug. And then as soon as a few products have loaded up, I'll just go straight to all filters. I'll just go star seller, and I'll show results for star sellers. And then you're going to like this one, guys. You might have seen this trick somewhere else on YouTube before, but essentially all you want to do is just go up to the address bar, see where it says the word star, just change that to the word best. And then just hit enter again. So yeah, now what this is going to do is bring you up on Etsy all of the best-selling products for the, or all of the best-selling niches, for the product type that you've actually typed in. Look through straight away, bestseller here, Nurse Lauren. This is a custom mug. This is something I think I could produce pretty quickly myself. I Love You Silly Goose. Again, it's another mug I think is pretty easy to produce. This T-Rex mug, picture of a dinosaur, again, pretty easy. So I'd start looking at these best-selling products, and then what I'd do is just go through and favorite a few that I think I could create, or a few that I think would, suit the shop, regardless of what you're selling. Let's say even if you're selling chopping boards, whether you're selling clothing, whether you're selling party decor, whether you're selling digital products, the exact same method's gonna apply, guys. And then all I would do is just take some screenshots of a few of the best-selling products which I really like the ideas of. Again, let's get this T-Rex one here. So I've always loved dinosaurs, so yeah, I love that one. So even this one here, this looks pretty cool. I've actually already got that one favorited. Take another screenshot. We know it's a bestseller. And this sort of one here looks pretty cool as well. I like the vibe of this actually. Just in general, I don't know if any of you sell mugs or whatever, but I quite like the sort of cartoony, almost comical look on the mugs. That's a vibe which I do a lot in my own store. You can very easily find 20, 30, even 40 best-selling products that you think would look good in your shop in 10, 20 minutes. So yeah, let's just say I've done it. I'm just going to leave it with those 4 at the minute. And then what I do straight after that is go to a program called Canva. And then on Canva, you just want to open up a 1000 by 1000 pixel document. And again, this is just how I do it, guys. So then I would just upload some files to Canva. And then if you go to recents on MacBook anyway, you should be able to get the screenshots that you've just taken of the bestsellers, and then I'll just upload them. And then what I'll do is just make a little collage document here of bestsellers. And again, I know there's other programs you can use for this as well. I just do it on Canva because I use Canva every day and it's pretty simple for me to use. But yeah, I know Fig Jam's another good one. So you can hop on Fig Jam. It's basically pretty much the same. But yeah, so imagine I've got loads of screenshots of loads of different bestsellers. You could easily fill up 100 pages. This is obviously for a reading niche, okay? So it shows me that there's some level of demand for reading products or mugs. So what I would then do is take that idea in my head, and then I would use a tool called Everbee. And you don't need to use this tool. There is a free version. There's also a paid version. But what I'd essentially do is just go into product analytics. So you can see all the products on Etsy here. This is a plugin. And I would just type in reading mug. And again, guys, I'm just showing you what I do. This is what I do every day. What this is then going to do is just show you a load of products and a load of different designs and a load of different ideas for that niche that you've seen from your bestseller research. And what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be looking at the monthly revenue that these products are bringing in and the monthly sales. I want to make sure that there's not just one good reading product, right? And then there's no other demand for reading. I want to make sure that there's a lot of good products for the reading niche in the product category that I want to make, so that I know if I then also make a product in that category, there's a really good level of demand for it. So which I can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products here, 8 reading mugs, making over $1,000 a month. And to be honest, for a single product, for me, even if a single product makes over $300 a month, then that's pretty good. That's something I would consider. And if you've got 500 listings all bringing in, say, a decent bit of money each, then yeah, it soon adds up. And again, this is just going to be jogging my mind to see what designs in the reading niche actually sell well. And, you know, I might go and view a few of these on Etsy, just click straight through, look at them. Yeah, again, you can tell it's a bestseller. It's in the reading niche, so I could take some design inspiration from this one. And then, of course, another thing that we can do to find some bestseller niches, it's another thing that I do. We live in 2025. Aren't we grateful? We have access to AI, so we can just go to Chat GPT. All right, sorry, that's completely thrown. My dog just walked over and just started drinking a load of water just as I was filming this video. But yeah, never mind. He's obviously a thirsty boy. So yeah, ChatGPT, this is another thing I do. And I just type in a real simple prompt like, I own a mug shop on Etsy. Give me 20 bestseller product niches for this shop. Yeah, so I just do something super simple like that. And again, to be honest, guys, a lot of this is just jogging your memory. It's just methods that you can use to just get you thinking about different niches that you've always got ways then of finding your own bestseller niches to add to your shops. So then, yeah, once a few really good ideas load up, you can see, yeah, foodie mugs, couples mugs, retro mugs, sports mugs. Sports mugs would be a good one. So then I would literally just, once I've got an idea for a niche here from ChatGPT, go back to Etsy and I would type in sports, insert product of whatever product it is you want to try and sell on your shop. Sports mug. So boom, straight away. This is why it works so well. Bestseller ski mug, right? I wouldn't have thought of that myself. I highly doubt there would have been another video on YouTube saying, oh, you can sell ski design mugs and they can become bestsellers. So again, bestseller right there. Sports mugs, NFL mugs, yeah, American football, kind of thought that would be up there. And you got your basketball ones, you know, golf. But yeah, ski ones, I certainly wouldn't have expected that to be a bestseller. So again, you could just do the same, favorite it, screenshot it, upload it to the Canva document, add it to Canva, and then suddenly we just keep building up our list of bestseller niches in the product categories for the stores that we own. And yeah, honestly, guys, before long, you'll just have a massive backlog of niche ideas here that you can sell to customers. And you know, you keep doing these simple things, promise you guys, you'll never run out of ideas. And I want to show you again here, guys, this applies to any sort of product, no matter what you're selling. So this is an example I just shown you guys earlier for mugs. So, you know, say you sell something like, you have a shop which sells party decor, for example. Again, I do the exact same steps. Just type in whatever product it is, whatever headline product it is, straight into Etsy, go to filters, go to the star seller, show results, go up to the address bar, look for where it says the word star, delete that, change that to the word best, hit search. And then again, you can see all here, like really good party decor. You got some custom birthday newspapers you can sell, custom party hats, straws. You know, yeah, I'm seeing a lot of party hats. I'm seeing a lot of straws. Calendars, you know, you can make these very easily, print on demand. Whether you want to make it or not, I guess that's a different story. Custom cake toppers, goose cake toppers, you know. Suddenly it just gives you like a lot of ideas that you know these all sell well. You know there's good demand for these. And again, you can just do the same thing. Start screenshotting a few of them, adding them to your Canva document for all of your bestseller niche researches. And again, you could just take those ideas, chuck them into Everbee, make sure that there's a good level of demand. So it's not just like a one-off bestseller product which is doing well, but you know there's like a lot of products which are doing well, shows that there's a really high demand. Because Etsy is always updating the algorithm as well, so it's always going to be showing you different products on those first headline pages. You're just going to continuously get so many new ideas. ChatGPT as well. Again, for the party decor store, you can literally just use pretty much the exact same niche. You can pretty much use the exact same prompt. Gosh, I can't stop thinking about niches now, but yeah, so you can say, I own a party decor shop on Etsy. Give me 20 bestseller product niches for this shop. Let it do its thing. And then yeah, again, personalized party banners, balloon stuff, cake stuff, wedding stuff. Gives you loads of ideas. Again, you could just take them, rustic party decor. Say you want to start adding some rustic products into your shop. Take that, chuck it into Etsy. You do the bestseller thing if you want, but again, see what comes up. Look at what's popular now. A lot of rustic party decor here. Rustic wooden hearts. They look pretty cool, to be fair. But yeah, guys, this is the way to do it. This is such a good way to do it, I think, in my opinion. It's what I do. I do it for 10 minutes every day. It's what a lot of my clients do as well. It's part of the workflow. If you can feed this just 10 minutes a day into your daily workflow, you are just going to get so many ideas, and it's going to make you so physically aware of what a good product looks like and what there is good demand for on Etsy. Your shop could just explode. If you use proven strategies like this to put proven products with high demand in your shop, I promise you guys, you will definitely see an upturn in the results that you're getting on Etsy. And I also just want to say, guys, if maybe your sales at the minute aren't quite at the levels that you think they should be, and you're really struggling to kind of get the traction and get the traffic and the sales to your business that you think you should be getting, then there could be reasons for this. And I've made a whole video breaking down exactly what this could be. So if you want to check that out, feel free to check out this video, leave a link to it just here. But otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching this one. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.